Barbecues and bonfires have long brought people together for food, warmth, and storytelling. Both involve fire but serve different cultural and culinary roles. Together, they create unforgettable outdoor experiences. BBQ, short for barbecue, is a cooking method using low, indirect heat and smoke. It's popular for slow-cooking meats, especially in the United States, South America, and parts of Asia. The smoky flavor is what sets it apart. Bonfires are large, open fires often used for social gatherings or celebrations. Historically, they were used in rituals and seasonal festivals. Today, bonfires are popular for camping, beach parties, and backyard nights. The history of BBQ goes back thousands of years. Indigenous tribes around the world cooked meat over wood fires, developing early smoking techniques. Caribbean barbacoa gave rise to the modern term barbecue. American barbecue styles vary by region. Texas is known for brisket, Carolina for pulled pork, Memphis for ribs, and Kansas City for sweet sauces. Each style uses distinct wood, meat cuts, and rubs. South American BBQ is called asado, especially in Argentina and Brazil. It features large cuts of meat slow roasted over open flames. Chimichurri sauce often accompanies the meat. In South Korea, BBQ is a beloved dining experience. Diners grill marinated meat themselves at the table. It's often served with kimchi, lettuce wraps, and dipping sauces. Japanese yakitori focuses on skewered chicken grilled over charcoal. It's a common street food and pub fare. Bonfires aren't part of the meal, but the smoky element connects the two traditions. Middle Eastern kebabs, whether shish, kubida, or doner, are grilled over charcoal or wood. These are often part of large gatherings with flatbread and grilled vegetables. Smoke is key to the flavor. Wood choice matters in BBQ and bonfires. Hickory, mesquite, applewood, and oak impart different aromas to food. Softwoods like pine are avoided for cooking due to resins and smoke quality. Marinating meat before grilling enhances flavor and tenderness. Common marinades include citrus, vinegar, soy sauce, or yogurt-based blends. This also helps meat stay juicy over open flames. Grilling is a faster alternative to BBQ. It uses direct high heat to sear food, especially burgers, hot dogs, or vegetables. It's perfect for quick meals during a bonfire night. Bonfires offer more than heat. They create ambience. The crackling of wood, the glow of flames, and the shared circle inspire stories and laughter. It's a timeless form of human connection. S'mores are the most iconic bonfire treat. The United States classic combines roasted marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers. It's a favorite for kids and adults alike. Other bonfire foods include roasted corn, foil-wrapped potatoes, and skewered sausages. These are simple, fire-friendly, and require little preparation. Many cultures have their own versions. Bonfires often serve ceremonial or symbolic purposes. In India, Holika Dahan includes bonfires before Holi. In Northern Europe, midsummer and solstice festivals feature massive communal fires. Safety is essential when handling BBQs and bonfires. Always keep water or sand nearby. Use designated pits or grills to avoid wildfires and burns. Modern BBQs include gas, charcoal, and electric models. While traditionalists prefer wood or charcoal, gas is convenient for quick grilling. Smokers are ideal for authentic, slow-cooked results. Camping trips often combine both BBQ and bonfires. You can cook meals over the grill, then gather around the fire after dark. It's honestly a full-day outdoor experience. BBQ competitions are serious culinary events. Teams compete in meat quality, tenderness, smoke ring, and sauce balance. The World Championship BBQ contest in Memphis is among the biggest. Many people host backyard BBQs during holidays or family events. Birthdays, graduations, or even simple weekends become special with grilled food and firelight. It's a tradition across many countries. BBQ doesn't have to mean meat. Grilled vegetables, tofu, and fruit like pineapple or peaches offer great smoky flavors. Plant-based BBQ is growing in popularity. Bonfires help build survival skills in nature. Knowing how to build and maintain a fire is essential for campers. It also boosts confidence and respect for nature. The emotional value of BBQs and bonfires can't be overstated. They evoke nostalgia, warmth, and togetherness. Food and fire have bonded humans for millennia. Whether for flavor or friendship, BBQ and bonfires are powerful traditions. From ancient fire pits to modern grills, they continue to unite people. So fire up the grill, spark a flame and enjoy.